Hi, this is Dr. Sruthi Thejus, and today I'm here to discuss a little bit about Swarna Prashana. You might be seeing in my WhatsApp status and social media platforms regarding Swarna Prashana since few days. So many of you have multiple queries, and so I thought to clear a few of your doubts. And if you have more queries related to this, do contact me for further details. So in this video, I'll be giving you a short of what is Swarna Prashana, what it contains, and how do you administer this Swarna Prashana, to whom you should give this Swarna Prashana, etc. So starting with the name Swarna Prashana, as you understand, Swarna means the gold and Prashana is the method to administer or the method to give it to the child. So Swarna, most of you are confused between the Swarna as a metal. So it's not the metal as such. We are using it in the medication, but it is in the form of bhasma or ash. So that bhasma is formed with multiple procedures, which is known as marana, and we are taking the Swarna bhasma from a very reputed company which is following all the procedures of this purification. And regarding the Swarna Prashana Samskara, so always there is a Samskara which is coming along with this name. So what is Samskara? Samskara is something which our ancestors were doing since ages in their day-to-day life, and then it became a series of rituals, and then it was taken to the next generation in the similar way as our ancestors were doing. So there are few samskaras or rituals related to our pregnancy, childbirth, naming ceremony, education, marriage, etc. So all these rituals later on was called as samskaras. So as the samskaras, there is transformation happening in our life. So physical as well as mental life. So this Swarna Prashana Samskara is also one of that transformation which has to be there in a child, in the period of childhood, where you have important milestones to happen. So that is one thing. Next is what is the ingredients in the Swarna Prashana. The ingredients main, as the name suggests, is the Swarna Bhasma. Second is the Grita. Grita is the ghee. So we are using the medicated ghee which is required for the child. So we can customize the Grita according to the need of the child. Like if you have a special need, for example, autism or hyperactivity, hypoactivity, attention deficit, etc. So we add the medications according to the need of that child. So it is customized. And the third one is the honey, and we mix it, we triturate it, so it's a long process, and then we make it in a particular doses that is also according to the age of the kid. So the next question will be, who can take it? So from the age of from the age of 6 months till 16 years of age, the kid can administer it. So as I have mentioned earlier, that there are special needs for some kids, like the categories which I have mentioned earlier. So for them, we have a detailed consultation. Only after that we do the Swarna Prashana Sanskar. So it is done in two methods. One is monthly on a specific day, and another method is taking it daily in particular dose according to the patient's, the kids' requirement. So that is all after the consultation is done. The doctor will be explaining you regarding the dose and how to take it. Now the next thing is about when to take, what is the rule, or is there any do's and don'ts related to this Swarna Prashana Samskara. Yes, there are, you have to take light to digest food immediately after having the Swarna Prashana. It is to be taken empty stomach in the morning, and after half an hour you can feed your child, but a bit lighter to digest food, and later on you can have your normal meal. Before starting the Swarna Prashana Samskara, there will be a detailed consultation with the mother and the child, and if required, after the consultation, we will decide whether the child needs an Ayurvedic deworming before you even start about it. So all those details will be given or explained to you during our consultation. Swarna Prashana Samskara is written in a textbook known as Kashyap Samhita, and Kashyap Samhita is the Ayurvedic pediatrics textbook, and there is a shloka, or there is a verse given in the Kashyap Samhita which describes the Swarna Prashana Samskara in detail. The Swarna Prashana medication is available in small batches, like we make it every month in small batches, and that's why the pre-booking is required. So if you need for the next month, you have to order this month. So for ordering, you can directly message us on WhatsApp or Instagram or even Facebook. So the next question will be regarding the benefits of Swarna Prashana. So there is no one reason for having it. There are many reasons to have the Swarna Prashana. One of them is that as it is an immunomodulator, and it increases the intelligence, grasping power, the memory power. It maintains the health of the individual, and also it takes care of the immune system. So that's why it is known as an immunomodulator, and it is also known as an Ayurvedic immunization. These are the benefits, and also in their puberty, like after the child is approaching the puberty, it will also take care about their reproductive health. So it is like an overall medication for them, as not as a medication, it is a Rasayana Chikitsa, which is the rejuvenation therapy in Ayurveda science. So hope I have taken care of all your doubts. If you have any more doubts related to the Swarna Prashana Samskara, please let me know through WhatsApp or Instagram. You can inbox me, or also you can mail me. I have given all the details in the comment box. Thank you.